Welcome to my channel Maths Pursuit. Today we will look into the questions from the chapter called Number Systems. The given question is, are the following statements true or false? Give reasons for your answers. Every rational number is an integer. So guys, let us verify this. The question is asking us here if every rational number is an integer. So the question is checking with us. The question is checking with us if every rational number is an integer or not. Is an integer or not. This is what the question is checking with us. So guys, in order to answer this type of questions, what we need to do? We need to first of all understand the definition of rational number as well as integers. Guys, I know that we people know the definition of rational number and integers, but in order to brush up our mind, I have posted here the definition of integers as well as rational numbers. In order to brush up our mind, I have posted here the definition of integers as well as rational numbers, so that it would be easy for us to answer this question or this statement. Now guys, if you look here, the definition of integer says that integers are the numbers which can be positive, negative or zero. Integers are the numbers which can be positive, negative or zero but cannot be a fraction. So integers can be positive, negative or zero but it cannot be fraction. So examples of integers are -3, -2, 1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. All negative numbers 0 and 1, 2, 3, 4 are integers. But integers cannot be a fraction. Like I cannot write 1 upon 3 or 3 upon 5 or 0 upon 7. So these are the numbers that we cannot consider for integers. Now guys, after understanding the definition of integer, let us understand the definition of rational number. Rational number is a number if it can be written in the form of p upon q, where p and q are integers and q is not equal to 0. So guys, rational number is a number if it can be written in the form of p upon q, where p and q are integers and q is not equal to 0. So the definition of rational number says that any number if it can be written of the form of p upon q and q is not equal to 0. Let us take some examples so that it would be easy to understand rational numbers. The examples of rational numbers are -1, -2, 0, 1, 2, 3 upon 4 or 4 upon 5, whatever it may be. But these are the rational numbers. -1, -2, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. But rational number does not include. But rational number is of the form p upon q, where q is not equal to 0. We cannot write a rational number like, I cannot write a number like 1 upon 0, because here q becomes 0. We cannot write 1 upon 0. Here the q becomes 0. This is not a rational number. This becomes infinity. 1 upon 0 is infinity. So if q is 0, then it is not a rational number. Apart from that, any number that we can write are all rational numbers. For example, -1. How -1 is a rational number? We can write -1 as -1 upon 1. This -1 and 1, if you look here, -1. If you look here, -1 and 1, they both are integers. So rational numbers are of the form p and q, and where p and q are integers. -1 upon 1 is the integer. Similarly, I can write -2 as -2 upon 1. -2 upon 1 is nothing but -2, but still I can express it in the form of p upon q. And 0 I can write as 0 upon 1. 0 I can write as 0 upon 1. 0 upon anything is 0, so I can express 0 as 0 upon 1. Similarly, 3 upon 4 is a rational number, because these are 3 is the integer, 3 is an integer and 4 is an integer. So, and this can be written in the form p upon q. So these are all rational numbers. Hope guys you understood the definition of rational numbers. Now, after understanding the definition of rational numbers and natural integers, let us now try to answer the given statement. The statement is saying if every rational number is an integer or not. So guys, after understanding the statement of integer and rational number, we can easily say that if every rational number is an integer or not. We can say that no, or the statement is false. We can say that the statement is false. The given statement is false. The given statement is false. Why? Because the given statement is false. Because the statement is saying if every rational number is an integer or not. The given statement is false because if I consider a rational number as 4 upon 7, because 4 upon 7 is a rational number, 4 upon 7 is a rational number, but this is not an integer. But 4 upon 7, for example, 4 upon 7 is a rational number, but it is not an integer. It is not an integer. Hope guys you understood this. The statement is asking us if every rational number is an integer. So 4 upon 7 is a rational number, but this is not an integer. Integers are not of the form fractions. We do not consider any fractions as integers. Hope guys you understood this. These are very simple and very straightforward statements, but still if you have any questions or doubts, please reach out to me in the comment section of this video. Definitely I will get back to you once I see your comments. Guys, if you really like my videos, please subscribe. If you really like my videos, I would request you to kindly subscribe and also let your friends know. This will motivate me to create similar videos in the future. Thank you. Bye.